can go now.
All right. One box of the new hockey.
Panini Luxury Suite.
Okay. This is my first box of hockey anything this year. Oh, I see. How many packs are there? 6? Well, that last one's really thick. A couple of them are thick. All right. Destroy the names here. Adam Cracknell. He's numbered 899. Alexander Burrows. Michael Samuelson. Number 599. Oh, that's cool. Sedin. It's a stick.
Yeah.
In jersey. That's cool. 7 of 10.
That's sweet.
It's a cool looking card.
Nice.
See that patch on the back?
I did now.
Mark Flood, rookie, number to 899. And a Mashinter, rookie. Mashinter?
Now, was there, how many cards were in that pack?
4.
Okay. How many did you get in the last pack?
3.
Okay.
That's 3 of 10, so that's a parallel, gold parallel or something. What's the difference? Yeah, it's gold. Lindstrom, jersey to 599. Joe Thornton.
Nice patch.
That's a stick.
It's a stick.
And then a patch.
And a patch. Cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. 8 of 50.
Not bad so far.
This is a patch, and it's numbered higher because it's gold. The Sedin is gold. Rookie of Jim O'Brien, $8.99. Nicholas Backstrom, again, $5.99.
You get Nicholas Backstrom and everything.
Yes, I do. There's another one with a stick jersey. Mike Smith. Are there any autographs in this?
Supposed to be. What's that number 2?
Oh, I'm sorry. 100 of 100.
That's kind of cool.
It's eBay 101 right there.
Yep.
There's 5 cards in this one. Nikitin, is that his name? For the Blues, rookie for the Blues. Number to 899. Brett McLean, 899. Evander Kane, $5.99. That's a dummy card, I'm guessing. Dirk Graham.
Old timer. Blackhawks. Don't know who he is, but
I don't either. It's on card. 93 of 199.
that's kind of cool.
I don't have a clue. I don't know him.
Don't know him either.
I mean, I don't know. I'm probably going to get blasted on the blog boards, but
Yeah, let's open a bunch of hockey boxes and say I never heard of these guys. All the
Exactly.
all the hockey guys are just cringing now.
exactly.
Dude,
That's some really cool looking.
was that all of them?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.